Hello guys, this is Swifter165. I'm sorry you can't see right now, it's dark. I'm trying to record fireworks. Yeah, so you can see a little bit right there, but you can't see my face right now. But yeah, I'm right behind it and I'm pointing it at the fireworks. I'm trying to show you the fireworks show in Larned, Kansas. Right like down the road is where this is happening. I mean, we could go over there. Stupid car, get out of the way. See, there's fireworks just everywhere, and I believe you can hear the sound effects. They are loud, and plus it's like delayed sound since we're far away from it. What are you doing, Bobby? They can't see it. You're just shadowing it. Get away. Get that dandelion away.
Oh, you must stop my work.
I'm just here to show you guys the fireworks show. I said I would be posting a video. This is a little late in. We've already set up fireworks. My tablet was dead, so I had to charge it. I'm sorry, guys, but right now they're just starting the show. So, have a good vid. Shut up. Turn to the viewers, enjoy your show. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry, but there's fireworks. I don't know if you caught all that, but there's fireworks behind us, but this is where the fireworks are mainly coming from. But they stopped. Oh, they stopped. They stopped. Okay. I might just change the direction, but it doesn't look like there's any more fireworks going on. Yep. I mean, maybe you can see a little bit of the flashing light. Apparently not, but there's some flashing light over there. I mean, way over there, they're setting off some fireworks. Way over there where you can't see them. But guys, right now I think they're done with like the big old ones. What the? Sorry guys, whoa! I should show you guys that, but it's behind the tree line. Sorry guys. It's just right now there's a whole bunch of things I can't do and I can do, but oh, there's something. Dang it! I'm starting to let them off over there.
Use your static power and predict when they're gonna explode.
I just can't stop.
Boom! Right there. Dang it! That was done. Right there.
There it is. There's some. I don't know if this caught that.
Satellite.
Oh.
Right there. Oh,
It was over there.
Right there.
Look at that. Whoa.
Right there. Right there again.
Okay, it started back up, guys. I just can't stop moving. I just can't stop my movie.
Right there.
On my YouTube
Right there.
channel.
Right there.
I know where they are, Bobby. I can see the missiles going up.
Oh, that looks like a golden structure.
I hope you guys are enjoying this. I mean, you may not be getting all the color effects, but it's pretty good from this view. Right now we're sitting in the driveway, watching it.
Hey, maybe we should give them a tour of the house sometime.
Probably.
And a tour of the neighborhood.
But we can't get anybody but you and me on the video, because we need permission for anybody else.
And let's just say,
can you see the bit? There you go.
we're making a recording for phone.
I just can't stop movies. Holy crap. Guys, there's fireworks on both sides of us right now. I mean, holy crap.
They're going to north, south, east, and west, and all the ways between them.
So, I'm gonna keep it. Shut up!
Okay.
I'm gonna keep it, going for a bit longer until it's at least over. I'll try. Holy moly. Whoa! Oh, and guys, if you're wondering what the designs are, like behind me and around me, they're just like red, blue, and green sparkles just falling. The same kind of way these are in front of you right now. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Whoever's out there watching, if there is anybody watching. Sorry, but right now all I can do is, dang it. All I can do is, sorry, there's bugs biting me right now. But all I can do really right now is vlogs, or vlogs, whatever you want to call them. But that's all I can do. And yes, I'm American. And whoa, I'm a big fan of Jacksepticeye. If anybody watching this hasn't seen him, just go check him out. But I bet you already have. So, well. Have a good time. To the show. I just can't. Sorry guys, this Taylor Swift song is stuck in my head. And Taylor Swift is a good music artist. So is Toby Mac.
Toby Mac and cheese.
Don't make fun of freaking Toby Mac, dude. I will beat the crap out of you. Okay. So fifth stop for now. So I'm behind the trees. I want to show you guys, but I can't. Because, of course, they're behind the trees. Anywhere they could be, they're behind the trees.
How come it can't be in our faces, man?
I'm going to try to walk around for you guys. Oh! Come from every which way. I mean, seriously. God dang. Whoa!
This is definitely more better view.
You guys are seeing this? This thing's lasts forever. This is from one thing. Yeah, see, there's just like a fantastic, some fantastic stuff right here. Some more over there. There's a house right there if you can't notice, but hope you guys are enjoying this video. I think I might end it right here, so see you guys. Peace out.